Hey guys, it's Avalon from Nurse in the Garden. So today I am actually going to be overwintering my area where I will be doing my raised beds. So this is going to be the first year, 2022, where I'm actually going to be doing raised beds instead of just full container gardening. So I've been doing container gardening for the last 2 years and it was actually pretty fun. 2020 I just kind of experimented. 2021 I had a lot more containers, and then this year I plan on doing some raised beds and also container gardening. So I have been researching different ways because I'm like, well, first of all, I do not want to spend a lot of time digging up this soil, testing the soil, worrying if the soil is good. So I decided to do some research, and of course YouTube and the internet in general has so many resources on no-dig gardening, and I had no idea what that was about. So long story short, no-dig gardening is basically you lay down cardboard to kill out the weeds and the grass, and then you build on that cardboard with soil, compost, and then you can garden. I may be missing a few like essential things that you may want to put in your raised beds, but I will link some resources to no-dig gardening down below. So I have a ton of cardboard here between Walmart and Target and all the boxes that I've saved over time. Even Botanical Interest, I actually got a delivery the other day, and it was a ton of seeds that I ordered, and I'm actually waiting on one more order, and then I'm going to do a seed haul, which I'm actually really excited about. So I just wanted to take you guys along with mapping out my area. I hope I have enough boxes. If I don't, I may just have to wait for some other boxes to come in the mail. But I'm trying to get this done before an actual snowfall. So I didn't say from before, but I actually live in New York. I live in Queens, and of course we have 4 seasons. I'm in zone B, 7B, sorry. I'm in zone 7B, and so you could say our gardening season is from about April to about November, I would say. Maybe even September. I may be actually stretching it too much. I have to double check. So yeah, I'm actually getting more into gardening and the details about that and all of these specifics. So I'm actually really excited to try to start something different and learn more with you guys on this channel. So I'm gonna get started with the laying down on my cardboard. So I got a good bit of my lawn covered with the boxes. I only have a very small section of the backyard that I am allowed to garden in. So it looks like I'm actually going to need some more boxes, but I'm happy to actually get the process started. So my thinking is that if I do this before the actual winter, before the snow falls, that the boxes will start to get really soft and kind of break down a little bit, making it easier that when I start actually planting, in my head I think like the boxes may prevent the seeds from going all the way down, but I could be wrong. I've watched a lot of videos, but I just want to kind of try it out. It's my first year trying it, so I just want to see what could work. Yeah, so let me actually just show you guys what it looks like. It's basically this area right here. So like this area actually still needs some more box. You want to make sure when you are actually doing laying your boxes down, you want to cover every inch of the grass. So like that part there, it needs to be overlapped pretty much. So you shouldn't have any grass open to air, because you technically want to choke out the grass. meaning make it die. And you want to prevent any sort of weeds going into your raised bed. So I'm gonna need some more boxes. But I am happy to at least get this started. And usually right back there I will do my container gardening. I will like put it on those bricks and I will do my container gardening back there. But this year I'm going to do my raised beds, some container gardening, and then maybe something over here. But you also want to, you know, think in advance for a pathway in between your beds. So I hope to do one bed right here and another bed right there with like a place to walk basically around it. Haven't measured exactly how much space I have, but I'm going to do that eventually. But right now I just kind of wanted to get the first part of it set up. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I should be doing more, and next video should be a haul, a seed haul. And then once I get all the boxes, everything covered up back here, I'm gonna show you guys again. All right, so I hope you have a great day. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.